It is no secret that the Citizenship by Investment program of the government of the Republic of Turkey is very popular. Experts of TURK ESTATE have prepared a comprehensive offer that will help you avoid wasted time and damaged nerves. We are ready to literally take your hand and carry out as quickly as possible through all stages of the procedure, from the selection of real estate to obtaining the coveted Turkish passport. Interesting? Let's go. Step 1. Strategy. Our specialist in immigration programs will study your situation and offer the best investment option. An applicant may add a spouse, children under 18, and children with disabilities of any age to the application. Step 2. Investment. Before applying for citizenship, we will help you open a Turkish bank account and complete the investment process. Our experts will carefully draw up, check and double-check all documents for real estate. Step 3. Residence permit. To apply for citizenship, you need to have a valid residence permit in Turkey. Of course, we will take care of it inside and out. Step 4. Documents. You will receive a detailed list of documents required to apply. Our experienced lawyers will help you prepare everything and check each document for compliance with the requirements of the program. We'll get it right the first time. What will be needed? Residence permit. Valid passport. 4 photos for each family member. Applicant's birth certificate. Marriage certificate, birth certificates of children. Receipt of payment of duty. Documents confirming the investment. Step 5. Apply for citizenship. After obtaining a residence permit, the investor can immediately apply for citizenship. The physical presence of the applicant is not required, no additional interviews are conducted. This means that we can take care of the entire routine. Step 6. Pop the champagne. Having received a passport of the Republic of Turkey, you will be able to enjoy all the benefits and rights of its citizens, visa-free visits to more than 100 countries of the world. And if you wish, you can even start the process of moving to the US or the UK, according to special visas available with a Turkish passport. TURK ESTATE, make your dreams come true. Live by the sea now.